Sup guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video I tell you about top 10 expert Bitcoin, and express Bitcoin will cost at least $20,000 by next year, and also Bitcoin prices can only go higher, much higher, and according to no further than 10 experts predictions for this year. Also 10 prediction, it is Pantera Capital, $20,000 by December this year. Then Moorhead, the investigative film CEO, told recipients of an April newsletter then he has really had such strong conviction on timing, as he planned a $20,000 Bitcoin price in this year. A9, it is Fundstrat Global Advisors, $25,000 by December this year. Fundstrat famously bullish co-founder Tom Lee went on record again and last week to confirm his belief that Bitcoin's bear market is losing its grip, and Lee is confident that prices will reach $25,000 before next year, and having previously $125,000 such by 2022. 8. Max Keiser, $28,000 in play as of April this year. April is ago, it is after, it is before, and following a personal interview with Bitcoin last week, the then of Russia Today host continues to hold plenty of enthusiasm about Bitcoin next move is $28,000, a full $8,000 more December last year, all-time high is already in play, he tweeted Sunday. 7th, it is Allianz Style Milne, $25,000 to $60,000 by next block rate halving. Summarizing various price predictions in tweet April 15th. It is 1 month ago, the serial investor revealed his belief that even under less optimistic conditions, $25,000 per Bitcoin is on the cusp. By the time the block rewards reduced 50% again in 2020. Antonio Pompiliano to $50,000 by December this year, speaking to mainstream media in February as BTC USD fell below $7,000. The full tilt analysis said he easily foresaw prices recovering and to $50,000 by the end of this year. 5. John Prefer, it is price prediction $75,000 by December this year. In January, the London-based investors produced a report examining likely Bitcoin price scenarios and claimed that $75,000 was realistic for this year. In additional comments to the press, Prefer added this was very much just an interim target. 4th, it is K. Van-Petersen, $100,000 by December this year. Very perspective. Another long-time Bitcoin bull, Van-Petersen has had considered the lack in correctly gauging Bitcoin's paths for several years. In January this year, the Saxo Bank analyst stated he believed price will continue upwards to $100,000 when the fall from $20,000 and $6,000 was already underway. It is not bad, but my opinion, $100,000 it is maybe in next year, but not in this year. By we watch is this third and second it is Time Draper and Brian Kelly, $250,000 by 2022. It is topping the list of the biggest Bitcoin bulls. CNBC host Brian Kelly, giant investigated mogul and serial holder Tim Draper last week in committing to grant $250,000 pure Bitcoin in just 4 years' time, and believe it happening. Draper had told its members at self-organized blockchain event on Tuesday. John McAfee, was amazing. It is a crazy guy. He says $1 million by December 2020, or while originally from last year, McAfee made headlines for vowing to confirm his own manhood, and BTC USD failed to attain 1 million by 2020. This week he doubled down. Slowly but seriously, the crypto world wizards are beginning to catch up with my Bitcoin price predictions, and also I stand fully by my certainty that there will be no dick eating on December 31. So what your also Bitcoin price prediction? Write under this video, and I watch it. So, and also if we back to Bitcoin and also have a back to Bitcoin charts, this graphic when Bitcoin was created and was started is 5 years ago, and also we see Bitcoin now it is volatility, it is bearish maybe trend, but we see that Bitcoin now again go down, go to $8,000 or $7,000 in this month, and also we see Bitcoin maximum was at $20,000, but Bitcoin is always grow up. Bitcoin always grow up from 3 years ago, from 2015. He is always grow up. Do you see? And also it is perspective, but I think Bitcoin never price have at $1 million, but maximum price in this year Bitcoin $30,000, and next year it is $50,000, and 2020 it is maybe $100,000. It is maximum price, and it is my opinion about Bitcoin, about price prediction Bitcoin, and also maybe it is not bad. And also if more countries not ban Bitcoin, Bitcoin have a good perspective to have a price in 2 years $100,000. If countries ban Bitcoin, it is so bad for Bitcoin and another cryptocurrency, and bad for investors, for holders, for people who buy Bitcoin at $20,000 in a newest time. So guys, this is about Bitcoin, about my prediction, but also Bitcoin now have a volatility trend, not bearish trend, and also now we have a consensus event, and maybe after consensus in this month, in this May, Bitcoin go up, after down, after bearish trend. We need go down, and after crash market we have a good perspective for growing up to 11 or maybe $12,000. So guys, thank you for watching and see you later.